Are you over 60 and finding it harder and harder to sleep through the night? Do you go to bed tired, only to wake up again at 2 or 3 in the morning, staring at the ceiling and wishing you could just drift back into a deep, peaceful sleep? You're not alone. As we age, changes in our hormones, stress levels, and even small lifestyle habits can make restful sleep feel like a distant memory. But what if I told you that there's a simple, natural drink you can have before bed that can work far better than plain water to calm your body, quiet your mind, and help you finally enjoy deep, uninterrupted rest? Most people think water is the best option before sleep, and yes, staying hydrated is important. But drinking plain water at night often backfires for seniors, because it increases the chances of waking up to use the bathroom. That means you break your sleep cycle right when your body needs it most. Instead, what I'm about to share is a soothing bedtime drink that does much more than hydrate. It relaxes your muscles, supports your brain, balances your hormones, and helps you slip into a deeper stage of sleep. So, what is this powerful drink? It's a warm blend of milk with a natural sleep-enhancing ingredient such as turmeric, cinnamon, or even a touch of honey. Let's break this down. Warm milk itself contains tryptophan, an amino acid that encourages the production of melatonin, the hormone that tells your brain it's time to sleep. It also provides calcium and magnesium, two minerals that work together to relax your muscles and calm your nervous system. When you add something like turmeric, you're giving your body curcumin, a compound that reduces inflammation and eases discomfort that often keeps older adults tossing and turning at night. Add cinnamon, and you help balance blood sugar levels, preventing those midnight energy spikes that can wake you up. And with just a drizzle of honey, you're not only improving the taste, you're also giving your brain a little boost of natural glucose, which can help it settle into sleep mode more easily. Imagine sipping this warm, golden drink about 30 minutes before bedtime. The warmth itself signals comfort and relaxation. As it moves through your body, it starts lowering stress hormones, releasing tension from your muscles, and telling your brain, it's safe to rest now. Unlike sleeping pills, which can cause grogginess, dependency, or even dangerous side effects, this drink works gently with your body's own systems. It's natural, effective, and incredibly easy to prepare. And here's another important benefit. Many seniors struggle with joint stiffness, aches, and inflammation that make it hard to get comfortable in bed. The turmeric and cinnamon in this drink have strong anti-inflammatory effects, helping ease those little pains that wake you up when you try to roll over at night. Instead of waking up stiff and sore, you're more likely to get restorative rest and wake up feeling lighter, more refreshed, and ready for the day. Of course, a bedtime drink alone isn't the whole story. Pairing it with a few simple habits makes it even more powerful. Keeping your bedroom cool and dark, turning off bright screens at least an hour before bed, and sticking to a regular bedtime routine can all help your body get into a natural rhythm. Even something as simple as dimming the lights, reading a calming book, or listening to soft music can signal your brain that it's time to shift gears and wind down. Now, let's be clear, sleep challenges after 60 are very common. Hormonal changes reduce melatonin production, which is why you may notice it's harder to fall asleep or stay asleep. Add to that stress, late-night snacking, or even medications that interfere with sleep, and it can feel overwhelming. But small, consistent changes like this warm bedtime drink can restore balance. It doesn't just improve sleep, it improves your overall health. Better sleep supports memory, strengthens your immune system, balances your mood, and even helps protect against chronic diseases like heart problems or diabetes. So the next time you're tempted to reach for a plain water or another pill, try this instead. Pour yourself a cup of warm milk, add half a teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of cinnamon, and just a drizzle of honey. Sip it slowly, breathe deeply, and give your body the signal it's been waiting for. Within a few nights, you may notice you're falling asleep faster, waking up less often, and finally enjoying the kind of deep, restorative sleep that helps you wake up with energy and clarity. Remember, it's not about doing everything perfectly overnight, it's about making small changes that add up. At over 60, you deserve nights of peaceful sleep and mornings full of energy. And sometimes, The simplest solutions are the ones that work best. So if you're ready to start sleeping deeply again, try swapping your plain water for this soothing bedtime drink. Give it a week, and notice the difference in how you sleep and how you feel, because restful sleep isn't just a luxury, it's one of the most important gifts you can give your health and your future.